In this session, we are discuss about data types. Introduction. As we know that C# is a strongly typed language, we must need to declare the type of a variable that indicate the kind of a value it is going to store, such as integer, float, decimal, text, etc. Example, int a equals to 10. So we need to define int data type for a variable which has a value 10. Char value equals to C, string name equal to run, etc. So, what are the types of variable data types? So, data type is categorized into two types, value type and a reference type. So, first let's discuss about value type. So, value type is categorized into four types: simple type, struct type, enum type, nullable type. And simple type also categorized into four types: integral, floating, char, boolean. Let's go to reference. Reference also have four types: class type, interface type, delegate type, array type. Let's discuss about predefined data types. C# includes some predefined value type and reference type. That following table represent predefined data types. Okay, so first column indicates that type, second column indicates that some description, third column indicates that range, and fourth column is represent as suffix. Okay, so first one is byte, which is 8-bit unsigned integer, the range from 0 to 255. Okay, so we do not need to like remember the range. We can we can get the age from the program. Okay, so suppose we have a byte. Okay, let's go to program. So you need to write something like this: max value of byte type plus byte dot max value. We have a property, a max value. Again, copy, paste. Min value of byte type is min value. Let's run the program. You will see that max value of a type byte type is 255 and min value is 0. And in the range section, we have a 0 to 255. Similar for S byte, we need to check whether for any type, just write the type name, max value and min value. Okay, run again. So here is the max value is 127, min value is minus 128. So this is the range. So we can check the range from the max value and min value. Then type is byte, short, integer, uint. So we have a suffix for uint is u. So I will show you how does it work. Okay. Suppose we have a variable where value and I assign some value like 20 to it. If I hover on where variable, so we see that there is a struct of type system dot int 32 and check now uint is also a 32-bit, but it is an unsigned integer. So we need to add postfix u and after hovering system dot uint32. So we are able to identify that it is a system dot uint32 unsigned. Okay, again, how to check the value? So uint32 and uint32 uint uint. Let's run the program. So the max value of uint is 4294967295. Let's check. So Here is the value 4294967295. Okay. Similar for long, U long, float, and double, decimal, char is a different thing. Okay. Bool, object, string, date and time. So let's define all of them. Okay. So let's open. So first of all, byte, example, byte equals to 12. Okay. Next one is sort byte, sort U sort, S byte, 3x, S byte equals to 13, short, EX short equals to 30, U short, X, U short equals to 20. Next one is int and uint, int, x int like 1, uint, x uint equals to 2, then long, x long equals to 300, u long equals to 400. Next go to bool, open it, bool, x bool equals to true. Next one is object. So this is the base type of all the data types. Okay. Next one is string. String name equals to Kneya. Then after last one is char, uh, x char equals to C. It is stored the characters. Date time equals to date time dot now. Okay. So here is the all the data types. Okay. So we will discuss each and about in this series. Next, move to alias versus .NET type. So what is the type of byte? Suppose if I am writing it, if I am hovering it, byte, x byte. Okay. So I can declare like this system dot byte. Okay. This is same declaration because byte is the alias of a system dot byte, similar to s byte. Copy and paste system dot s byte. Both are the same because they have their alias in it. Okay. So for all we have their alias. So in this table we have alias, .NET type and type. Okay. For all like int is belongs to system.int32. So we can declare variable like this first way, and also this is a sort way. Otherwise we need to declare variable look like int 32. Okay, like this. So when we check the data type of variable, okay, suppose if I am declaring this one where integer value equal to 40, if I run, remove this, if I run this like int dot, sorry, int value int value dot get type, it will return a system dot int32 because int is the alias of system dot int32, system dot int32. So all are the shorthand notations, okay, of their alias. Next, move to default values. So each data type have their default values. So how to check what is the default values of each data type? So just I am removing all the alias. Okay. So checking default values. So let's put byte, right byte here, and default of byte. Okay. Similar, copy it, again paste it, short byte. Let's run for two. Here are the default value 00. Okay. Copy, short, int, uint, long, ulong, bool, string, char. Okay. So let's s byte, short, short, u short of u short, then int, int, uint, uint. Similar for long, ulong, bool, string, char. Okay. For date and time also. Okay. Let's run it. You will see default value of bool is false. Default value of string is null. Char is also null. And default value of a date time is 111000. That is a time and that is a date. Okay. So let this is discussion about conversion of data type. Okay. So we have two type of conversions. So first one is implicit type conversion and second one is a explicit type conversion. Okay. So this is the table. We can easily like convert from S byte to these data types. Okay. For example, remove all the content from main method. Okay. Write short value equal to 20. Okay. Then I can easily into x int equals to value. Okay. So I am able to convert from s byte to integer value. Okay. Similarly for short, long, float, double, decimal. So left side is the data type. We can convert to these data types without explicit conversion. Okay. Then uh, suppose let's discuss about explicit type conversion. Okay, so suppose if this is the int, I declare it 20, or I need to convert it to short. Okay, short value equal to int. It gives me an error like cannot implicitly convert into short, and an explicit conversion exists. Are you missing a cast? So I need to add a casting to this data type, that is a short. So error is removed. So in this manner, we can convert any data type to lower range with using typecasting.